got the fucking Wolfsburg. He just picked it up from the shop from a mechanic that didn't know what he was fucking doing. So he went and finished the job. So, goddamn, I hope that mechanic didn't get paid, bro.
He got no more than 400.
No more than 400 for an engine swap. AWP 1.8T 5-speed, stage 2 clutch, 3-inch downpipe to full exhaust system. But right now we're dealing with some vacuum leak problems and we're trying to figure out. But other than that, the car's picking up full boost, and it's picking up full boost, and we're loving it, huh?
Yeah. We kind of not step on it.
Well, you gotta settle the clutch down. It's a brand new stage 2 clutch, and it fucking grabs. This nigga's gonna be fast as fuck whenever he puts that stage 2 tune. The clutch is gonna grab and you're gonna break axles. That's the fucking truth, man. See, the problem that he deals with every time he stops,
the battery gets
the battery.
Not the right battery.
Yeah, he needs to get a correct battery. Well, oh,
is it the battery?
it could be the idle. Not enough good air fuel mixture. Oh, you know what? You wanna order a tune? Maybe it'll go away. My car was doing the same shit. That's because my ECU was fried. My car was doing the same shit he's going through. Except it would run like shit when I would drive it. It would go.
It drives good. It's just a idle.
But this one drives good. It's just that idle that's fucking up on his car. Well, yeah. We just connected the boost gauge on him. But yeah, this car's fucking popping, man. He's got windows that roll down. He's got a perfect car, man.
I just need to fix that fucking...
You need to fix what? He needs to fix that leak. Yes, sir. I'll charge you for the GLI. The GLI is running good. And we're pulling up to his crib. The GLI and the VR6 are in this bitch. Holy fucking shit, look at that car. In this car. And I guess we're gonna try to clamp on my exhaust because it came off loose. Cause this car was down for a whole month. Took it to a shop to get the clutch changed, and GLI, they broke my lip. I guess when they were taking it off the tow truck. So the GLI is gonna need a new lip and a new bumper. They probably fucking took the bolts off and forgot to put them on, bro. The fuck? We found the problem to his vacuum leak. It looks like it's the line that runs to the combi valve. But shit, I don't even think that line even runs to the combi valve. Because if we look at mine, I'm not sure. If we look over there, we have another Jetta that got torn to pieces. Bits and pieces. It's a what do you call it?
That's the fucking problem.
Yeah, it's your combi valve. But you're gonna delete it when you get that shit. That shit get
run through though.
Damn, my shit's fucking leaking oil and I just got that
Can you
shit.
take this one?
Yeah, take this.
Okay.
My shit like it's leaking oil and I just barely got that shit fixed. The fuck? I took it to the shop to get the valve covers fucking replaced. It is? Okay. But the line that's broken on, you need to find out where it runs.
It doesn't run through the top, right? It runs through the inner.
Hey, can you turn on the VR6 for my viewers? Let me see. I'm not gonna sell them for expensive. That's the VR6. Oh my god. Hey, that exhaust used to be a 1.8 GLI like mine. Well, it used to be a GLI it used to be my GLI. It's a 3-inch exhaust all the way to the muffler. And this one's just a 3-inch full all the way back. But holy shit, bro. Yeah, you have to, with the key you can take it off. This one just turned into a lip. Hold on, ese ya está quitado. Just turn that one to the left. There you go.
Yeah, it's that one. It's running through the same.
Is the same one? Oh yeah. No, don't see es esa. Yeah, bro. Holy shit. The boost gauge, the way we ran it, goes to the back and then to the vacuum. That way he gets vacuum from this one, and this one goes to the back to the turbo. Just this line right here, metal line. And this line, I think it's supposed to be, I don't know how I did it, but I think this line was supposed to be running over here, so it's this line. And well, yeah, there you go. That's how we ran the boost line. And then over here, what's smart about Volkswagens, these Volkswagens, you can like, there's a hole that you just like poke it inside and you just run that wire in there. I think Volkswagen just was smart about that. That you just like poke it inside, like literally just go and you can run it inside. And that's just his temporary setup. Like, he's gonna get a gauge pod, but that's just for Alright, so we just did some Haggard garage shit. Cut out the plastic, put a bit thicker line over it, but it's like a Parece que el compa Jossey acá tiene cams a la verga.
Yeah, I can control it. It's a throttle probably. I'm slightly pressing.
So it's a vacuum leak. Oh, wait. Stay steady. Stay steady. Do it again. Real throttle? I don't know. We're gonna scan it. El compa Jossey a la verga, wey. With the cam Jetta. A Genesis a la verga, wey. So on the black GLI, I guess I fixed sort of the problem a little bit. Just a little bit. It's a temporary fix. Just a temporary fix. It still needs a gasket that goes from the downpipe to the back. Jossey, how do you feel, bro? Feel alright? You fixed the problem?
I feel like I did.
He fixed it a little bit. The knock sensor was supposed to only go tight a little bit, not too tight, and
I over-timed it. I think I messed it up.
And he thinks he's messed it up, but he's gonna change it. But now we know the problem with this car.
Yeah.
I like your valve cover, bro.
Yeah, I got scratched up. I think the mechanic scratched it on it was freshly painted.
Yeah, it was freshly painted.
By M-Rods.
By M-Rod's Garage. Shouts out to M-Rod's Garage. He hooked it up with the coilovers for this car. Hooked it up for the exhaust system for the VR6. M-Rod's hooked it up with the GLI stickers for the doors that he's gonna put on this car. No?
You need to tighten it a little bit.
So might need to tighten it a little bit. Do it again. That's what a healthy GLI sounds like. Here, record mine. And then we got this. Still needs a, like you could tell the exhaust needs a little tweaking still, but this one sounds way better, honestly, because of the dual tip. His sounds way better because of the dual tip. It sounds nicer, but this one's got the crackle, so props to that. Okay, so ghetto rig, part 2.
We came back. We're looking for some.
You have something to remove these?
A wire.
Okay. So this wire is gonna be his positive for his light.
Oh, you know what? That switch you just took out, we took it out to fix the headlight, so we need a 5 right there.
We need a 5 right there?
Yeah.
Do you have a 5?
Yeah, let me go get one off the 2.0. Here you go. Hold the phone real quick.
Okay. So the reason we put it right there on 5 is because his boost gauge is gonna turn on whenever he turns on the headlights. That's why we put it right there for that fuse box.
All right.
And the ground, we're gonna run it to. Do you have a solder? Para soldar?
No.
No? That's fine. The ground, we can run it over here. So this wire.
You want me to take the boosket, Joe?
Nah, you're good. I need to run this wire right here. I don't want to break this. So he's gonna run his wire through under the cluster.
Si, senor.
Just for now. And
That'll
where's
work.
the lights? Over here where the 5 is at. It's for your is a switch for your headlights, is this one?
That one right there.
Yeah, you just put it in. They do sell
Fuses.
add-on fuses.
Yeah.
Just so you
the
could-
ones so you could wrap it around. Right?
So you could wrap
the wire.
But right now this is temporary. This is temporary. Okay, so what I'm gonna do temporarily for his car is I'm gonna run the ground wire right here. Cause that's where he's gonna get ground.
You're trying to do it on this black one?
So same way we ran this wire, this blue wire. Put his cluster down, or his board. Oh, there you go. Easy.
You broke my clip. Nice.
Nah, these clips.
Really good.
We got compa Jossey poniéndole
El tapo.
el tapo a su carrillo.
Alright, pull the wire.
Alright, we're gonna put it on first.
Oh yeah.
And we need to see if it
Can I
turns
do
on.
green?
Those are not bright. You need an LED.
Oh,
Yeah, you're gonna need an LED light.
it's whack.
Yeah, you're gonna need. But in the night, it's a mirar. No, it's on. Okay. There's blue and red if you want. But buy an LED bulb, and it's gonna be brighter. But there you go. That's how you put a boost gauge lights on the getaway. So we just got here to Jordy's crib, and he hooked it up with some headlights for the GLI and side markers and a hood, bro. So like, here he is pulling it out of pulling my car out of his driveway. Shit. Ah, shit. Hell yeah. GLI looking good with them headlights. Here it is, bro. Hood, bro, and headlights. Basically, I had the stock ones in, but I like them better.
Because they're usually three.
I just gotta restart it.
3-wheeling in that bitch.
Every day, bro. Every time I leave the garage, I hella 3-wheel.
I've never 3-wheeled.
This driveway makes everybody 3-wheel, bro.
Damn, I wonder how low you're gonna go with the Miata.
I'm gonna slam it on some nuts, dude. Yeah, 3-wheel as fuck. I told you you want that video, dog.